Alphablocks Word Magic. Let's meet Alphablock C. C cracks things. Time to do some word magic. Cat. The cat is stuck. Jump down, cat. Oh dear. Cracking stuff, C. You saved the cat. Cat. What a curious cat. Cup. No, keep the bull away from the cups. Cup. A colourful cup. Cot. One cot. Two cots. Three cots. Four cots with 4 sleeping sheep. 5 cots with Oh, sorry. Counting cots sent me to sleep. Cot. A cute cot. Cool cracking sound. Alphablocks Word Magic.